Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Lately I've been seeing a lot of posts about a supposed unlimited coins method for Pocket FM. People keep claiming it's quick, easy, and doesn't require a PC, unofficial apps, or any changes to your device. I wasn't sure whether any of those claims were actually true, so I decided to test the process myself and record everything from start to finish. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly what I tried, show you each step, and then we'll check the results together to see what actually happened with my account. The first thing I needed for the test was my player ID from inside Pocket FM. I opened the app, went to my profile section, and found the ID connected to my account. It was easy enough to locate. That step only took a few seconds, and once I had the ID saved, I was ready to move on to the next part of the experiment. After that, I opened my browser. I'm using Chrome, but you can use any browser you want. I typed in the website that everyone has been talking about and waited for it to load. The page opened normally, and everything looked pretty simple and easy to understand. Once the page loaded, I searched for Pocket FM and opened the section related to the app. The site then asked for a few details, including my device type and some account information. So I reviewed what was being requested and continued documenting the process. At that point, I was simply following the steps that were presented so I could evaluate the claim for myself and see what the process actually involved. The next step was choosing how much resources I wanted. Since I was testing the method, I picked one of the larger amounts. After confirming my choice, the site started showing loading bars and different progress messages. It looked like it was processing everything, but I wanted to wait until I checked the game before making any conclusions. There was also a short verification step before the process finished. I finished going through the steps earlier, so now it was time to check the final result. I went back into Pocket FM and reviewed my account to see whether anything had actually changed. That brings this experiment to an end. You've now seen the full process from start to finish, so you can make your own judgment about the claims. Keep in mind that methods shared online can be unpredictable, so it's always a good idea to stay cautious and do your own research before trying anything. If you've come across similar claims or tested something like this yourself, let me know your experience in the comments. And if you enjoyed this type of mobile app test, review, and experiment content, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.